How is a ship built? There are various processes for completing to build huge ships of 6,000 tons by own weight. All processes are essential to build a ship with a complicated function for sailing, loading cargoes, and crew living. Ships are built according to the schedules, which are managed effectively by many people, such as the design team, with a lot of experiences and flexible ideas, and the craftsmen who inherited a traditional technique. Design. The design is classified into basic design and a detailed design. At the basic design stage, shipbuilding companies settle demands with the ship owner through the meeting and order beforehand, and make a plan overall to provide maximum performance in various limitations. At the detailed design stage, they present the drawing and information which is compiled at the basic design and make detailed drawings to be able to produce rationally. Based upon this drawing, they start shipbuilding. Lofting. The design drawing is written by being scaled down and omitted, so we cannot cut a steel plate based on the drawing. In addition, we have to unfold the drawing on a plane shape because the ship is constructed in a curved surface. Lofting means to work to make the model that we can actually cut and assemble based on the design drawing. They have made a model of the original size before, but in recent years, they make cutting data with a computer. Numerical control cutting. Based on a model made by Lofting, NC cutting is the work to actually cut out the form of the parts from steel plates. Craftsmen have cut it with a cutting machine before, but now it's mechanized, and it's able to cut out the complicated form automatically. When we put the data of the lofted drawing in an NC machine, it does the marking to fill the name or the installation place of the parts at the same time. Bending. A ship consists of a complicated curved surface, so we need to bend the steel plate because it is a plane. Pushing it with a press machine or heating the surface with a gas burner. We bend it carefully, little by little, to match the model. In particular, as for the work to bend a smooth curved surface by thermal processing, most are done by hand, by the skilled craftsman, and it could be sand craftsmanship. Assembly. Building a large ship at once is inefficient, so shipbuilding will adopt the block construction method of diving blocks according to their size and assembling them at a shipyard. At a workshop, they will weld parts that are subjected to NC cutting and bending and assembled into 3D blocks. Block installation and assembly. Installation is an extremely important step. It directly affects the quality of the ship. It is necessary to install and join the assembly blocks in the correct order on the construction dock using a crane and assemble them according to the shape of the final ship. It is necessary to fix them in a correct position because the shape of the ship warps in the fixed position of the blocks is wrong. However, the weight of a large block is nearly 150 tons, so assembly requires serious techniques and labor. Painting. When the assembly is over, the painting begins. The painting plays a big role not only to improve the appearance of the ship, but also in the safety to prevent corrosion. Furthermore, a painting standard is illustrated for complying with environmental problems, so the painting is a very important process on the shipbuilding. Ship painting is one of the three pillars of modern shipbuilding, and it's used throughout ship construction. The design of the ship painting process mainly includes the selection of coating matching, the development of the surface treatment level, the development of a secondary descaling rate, and the design of the process routine. A scientific and reasonable painting process is the key to ensure the quality of the ship's construction. It is also an essential factor affecting the ship's construction cycle and cost. The design of the painting process requires an integrated consideration of many other factors, such as the corrosive environment in which the painting object is located, the available painting and the available painting equipment. With the continuous development of technology, new coating matching have emerged and intelligent robots have been widely used in the field of the ship construction. At the present, the design of the ship painting process mainly relies on the experience of technologists, and no scientific process designs flow and specifications have been formed. However, the amount of the data in the painting process is huge, while the shipyard lacks effective management tools. Therefore, it is important to adopt the advanced concept and intelligent algorithm to realize accurate recommendations of the painting process for scientific management. This is also the way to promote the intelligent development of the ship painting. Launching. When the block installation and the painting are over, a ship is floated at the sea for the first time. The building berth inclines to the direction of the sea like a slide, and let a ship slide on it and float on the sea. The launching is the tensest moment of the shipyard stuff, and is also the most important day on a shipbuilding.